A spoonful of sugar can stop your hiccups faster than holding your breath or drinking water upside down. Scientists say it works by shocking your nerves and forcing your diaphragm to reset, ending those annoying spasms instantly. Most people grab water or try to scare themselves when hiccups hit, but sugar acts like a circuit breaker for your body. As the grainy texture moves down your throat, it stimulates the vagus nerve, which controls your diaphragm's spasms. That means the next time you're stuck hiccuping in public, you don't have to embarrass yourself with weird breathing tricks. Just grab a teaspoon of regular sugar and swallow it dry, no water, no fuss. You'll feel your hiccups fade almost immediately, and you'll be the only one in the room who knows the secret pro tip that actually works.